How to set up a service plan on Workiz. The first thing you want to do once on your Workiz dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to scroll down until you see service plans. You're going to tap right there. After doing that, you can enable service plans as it offers a 14-day free trial period. Then you're just going to tap on Service Plans Manager. And from here, you can tap on New Plan Template in the top right hand corner. Then you could give the plan a name. And you can also add in plan description. And you could add in the plan duration, whether it be for a year or it be for a month. And you can choose whether it renews or not. And you can scroll down and you can select the number of visits which are included in the service period. Then you can choose the job type. And you can add in the price that you would like to charge. So let's say $150. Let me type that in real quick. Then you can scroll down and you can see billing options. You can choose to bill monthly since this is a monthly option. And you could put in a discount if you want. Once you're finished, you'll scroll down, and from here, if you like to upload any files or attachments, you can add it right there. And you're just going to tap on Create Plan.